afternoon.
Good afternoon.
How are you and what is your name?
Darsh Takneja.
Your name is?
Darsh Takneja.
Darsh. Your name is Darsh, right? Darsh.
Yeah.
Okay. And my name is Swati. Okay, I'm Swati ma'am. My full name is Swati Madan. Okay. Please tell me something about yourself. What is your age? You're in which school? Which class?
I'm in primary 1.
Okay.
Primary 1 and my age is 6 class.
Okay. Okay. You study in which school?
Yeah. Second primary school, government.
Okay. And what are your friends' name? Your best friend's name?
Vihan.
Vihan. Okay. Anybody else? You have only one friend?
More than one.
More than one. Good.
And Visha.
You like to play with them? You like to share your food with them?
They usually don't come to my house.
No, in your school?
No, they are not in my school.
Okay. They live near your house?
Huh?
They live near your house?
No, 2 stops then. 2 stops then. Their home reaches.
Okay. Okay. Okay, Darsh. Do you like reading stories?
Yeah, silent reading only.
Okay. I have brought a very small paragraph for you. So let's read that paragraph. Would you like to read it with me?
Yeah.
Okay.
If you can, I can read by myself also.
That's very good. I will share it with you. Then I'll see how you read it.
Ben has 2 pets.
Can you see?
Yeah.
जोर से बोलो.
Ben has 2 pets. He has 2 dogs. His dogs are His dogs are tame and Mutt.
Okay.
Tim is black and Mutt. His brown
brown dot.
There is a full stop. Stop in between. Can you see this full stop? Can you see? See how we should read is Tim is black and Mutt is brown. A small pause. Just pause for a second. Now continue.
Ben takes them to the park. He runs and play with them. They have fun.
And plays with them. Okay. So your reading is very good. Do you do reading at home?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you have lot of storybooks?
Huh? Yeah.
Do you have lot of storybooks?
Yeah.
That's very good. Good to hear. So
Teacher, sorry to interrupt.
Yeah.
His reading is very good.
Okay.
He is very weak in writing. His handwriting is very bad. He's very weak in writing spellings. He's weak in them.
Okay. So question and answers is the written part of the question answers you want me to stress upon?
Means?
Okay. Means is writing. We will do some writing today. Okay. Your reading is very good. You are very good at reading. So let's do some kind of writing. This is called unseen paragraph. I have given you a paragraph and we will answer the questions related to the paragraph. Okay. Who is the character in the story? This story is about who? Who is the character in the story? Who is the main character in the story? Can you answer me?
Tim.
Ben. Ben is the main character in the story. Okay, let's write the answer. Only the answer. I will ask you. I will not write it because I don't want you to copy my answers. Just write answer 1, A1.
Done.
Yes. What have you written?
Capital B.
Oh, 1 minute.
The first letter of the sentence should be capital. I will write it, then you match your answer. Ben is the character. What is the spelling of character?
K-A-R-E.
No, it starts with CH. CH also gives the sound of ch. K. Okay? Ca, C-H-A, ca, rack. R-A-C, racter. T-E-R, character. And we always try to pick up the sentence answer from the question only. Ben is the character in the story. Have you written like this only?
1 minute, teacher. Done.
Okay. Now, can you read number 2?
Story की spelling क्या है?
Okay. Show me the spelling.
1 minute.
Thus you have to leave some gap.
Yeah. Let me see it now. I have stopped sharing. Can you see? Can you show me how you have written? The first alphabet of the sentence should be capital. Show it to me. Ben is the character in the story. S-T-O-R-Y. Sto, S-T is the O-R-Y. R-Y. Okay? I'm sharing again. Okay. What? Can you read the question or should I read it?
Ben has 2 pets. He
Yeah,
has
this one. Question 2.
What kind of pets does Ben have?
What kind of pets? Does he have rabbits? Does he have dogs? Does he have hens? What does he have? Answer me first.
He has dogs.
Ben has dogs. Ben has 2 dogs. B will be capital. Ben has 2 and we are writing English, so we will write TWO. We will not write number 2. We will write TWO. 2 dogs. Like this. Put a full stop in the end.
W capital क्यों लिखा है?
Done.
Yeah. Do you have a pet?
No.
You don't have a pet? Would you want to keep a pet ever?
Yeah. But cannot.
Yes.
Cannot handle. My mother, father cannot give me.
Yes. It's a big responsibility, you know. What kind of responsibility? You have to take it for walk.
Yeah, every
You have
time.
to You have to bathe your pet regularly. Yeah, you have to give food to the pet. Take care. It should not fall sick. Yes. The pet is dependent upon you. So, okay, let's do number 3. Read number 3.
What are the names of Ben's dog?
Can you tell me? And we will start the sentence from here. From here. What are the names of Ben's dogs? The names of Ben's dogs are. Okay. The T is capital. The names of. Now Ben, B will be capital because Ben is a proper noun. The names of Ben's dogs are Tim. Tim, T will be small or capital?
Small, because
No.
there's no full stop.
No. Tim is a proper noun.
So,
Okay.
so it's a name, right?
Yeah, name is a proper noun. Like my name is Swati, S will be capital. We are writing in the middle of the sentence, it will be capital. If your name is Darsh, my name is Darsh, it is coming in the middle of the sentence, D will be capital. Okay, so the proper nouns are always, the first letter is capital. This T, look here, T, can you see it in the paragraph? T, Tim and Mutt, M will be capital. Tim and M-U-T-T, full stop.
Done.
Okay, now let me see how you have written. Show it to me. Put it straight in front of the screen. Yeah, Ben has 2 dogs. Okay, H in number 2 sentence, H should be small. Why you have written H capital? Please rub H. Rub H, number 2 sentence. Ben has, H will be small. In the middle of the sentence, we will not write capital words, capital letters. Only if it is a proper noun, we will write it. Okay, show me again. Show me again. Yeah, show it in front of the camera. The names, yeah. Put it little side, yeah. Names, yeah, left. Names of Ben's. The apostrophe should come. Ben's dogs are Tim. T will be capital, M will be capital. I'll show you my screen again, how I have written. Can you see? Ben's, apostrophe. Have you done apostrophe in your school?
No.
You have not done? If you have not done, I'll do it with you.
1 minute.
Ben's dogs. This is called apostrophe. These means dogs of Ben.
Done.
Have you written it? Our team. T is capital and Mutt, M is capital. Done?
No. Done.
Okay. And here, have you corrected H over here? Ben has. Have you done made it small?
Yeah.
Okay. Now let's do question number 4. Can you read it for me?
Where does Ben take his pets?
Yeah. What's the answer?
Playground.
Park. Park. So the answer will be, and you have to answer in full sentence. Don't say just playground. Don't say just park. Ben takes his pets to the park. Now B will be capital. Ben takes his pets to the park, and full stop in the end.
Ben takes.
Takes. T will be small. Yes.
Ben takes the pets to the park.
You can just write pets. No need to write dog pets, because they have written in the question, they have written pets, so you will also write pets to the park.
Done.
Okay. We will write number 5 and then I will check your answer. What does
Ben and the girls do at the park?
What do they do? I'll show you the paragraph again.
Play.
Ben takes them to the park. What does he do after that? He
Play. He runs and plays with them.
Yes, he runs. They have fun. Yes. So, what does he do in the park? He runs. We will not write he. We will start with Ben. Okay. Ben. R-U-N-S runs and plays with the dogs. Ben runs and plays with the dogs at the park. Full stop.
Done.
Okay, now show the answer to me how you have written. Yes. Pull it little up. Ben takes dogs dogs to the park. Ben runs and plays. What is the spelling of plays? Number last one. P-L-A-Y-S.
P-L-A-Y-S. P-L-A-Y-S.
Yes. Okay. Yeah, pull it little up, little up. Plays at the park. Correct. Okay. Okay. Now I'm showing you the paragraph once again. Do you know action words? Have you done action words in your school?
Maybe.
Maybe means in which action words means in which our body does some action, some movement. Have you done?
I learned it in
Yes.
school.
Such
Yeah.
as, what are action words? For example, eating, running,
Running.
walking, writing. All these are action words.
Yeah, even rolling.
Anything.
Rolling.
Actually anything.
Rolling.
Yes, rolling, seeing. If I'm saying seeing, my eyes are doing the action. My eyes are moving here and there. Listening, my ears are doing the action. They are into action. When I'm listening, they are catching the sound. Yes. So, what are the action words over here? Can you find out?
Runs, plays,
Read the passage.
fun.
Yes, run. Yes. Fun is what? They have fun. Is enjoyment. So, runs and plays are action words. And what are the naming words here?
Tim, Matt. Tim, Matt only.
Okay. You're missing something. The main character. The dog owner. Who's
Ben.
the dog owner?
Ben.
Ben. You are missing. You are missing Ben. Tim and Mutt are the names of the dogs. They are the naming words. And Ben. Ben is also a naming word. Okay. These are proper nouns. Okay. These dogs have proper nouns, specific nouns. So Tim and Mutt is a proper noun. Ben is also a proper noun. But dog is a naming word, but it is not a. It's a common noun. It's not a proper noun. Park. What is a park? It's a place. It's a name of a place where we go and play, jog, run. It's a naming word. It's a common noun.
Yeah.
Okay? Okay. Have you done 80 words in your school? The group families? 80, IP. Have you done? I'll show it to you. When you'll see, you will come to know, oh, yes, ma'am, I have done it.
Yeah.
Yes, I told you now. When you'll see, you'll say, yes, ma'am, I have done it.
No. Means I did it.
Yeah.
Means I didn't know it. Then I know it.
Okay. This is the 80 family. What's the sound of 80?
8.
At. It is at. Okay. Can we read these words?
Cat, rat, sat, mat, pat.
They are also rhyming words. You know that?
Yeah.
They are also rhyming words. They have got the same sound. Okay, just a second. Let's read here.
Pat is a fat cat. Pat can see a rat. That rat is fat.
The
rat is fat like Pat. The fat rat sat on a mat.
Okay.